Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook duck in the oven. First, let's get our duck ready for roasting. You'll want to score the skin in a crosshatch pattern, making sure not to cut into the meat. Then, pat the duck completely dry with paper towels. This is key for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Finally, season it generously with salt and pepper, and prick the skin all over with a fork to help render out the fat. Now, let's get that duck into the oven. Place your prepared duck breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan. We'll start with a high temperature to really get that skin going. Roast it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This initial blast of heat is crucial for crisping the skin and beginning the fat rendering process. Remember to carefully drain any rendered fat from the pan after this first stage. After the initial high heat roast, it's time to lower the temperature for a slower, more even cook. Reduce your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting for about 2 to 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh. Basting occasionally with the rendered fat will add incredible flavor and moisture to your duck. Once your duck is perfectly cooked, the final step is incredibly important for a tender and juicy result. Remove the duck from the oven and let it rest, uncovered, for at least 15 minutes. This resting period allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat. After resting, carve your duck into portions, separating the legs and breasts. Now, it's ready to be served and enjoyed with your chosen accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.